Teen Big Four, meron akong panibagong hamon sa inyo. Sa pagtatapos ng inyong paglalakbay, ay nais kong makagawa kayo ng kanta na may kasamang music video na makakapaglarawan sa inyong naging karanasan sa mga nagdaang araw.
The three concrete events that highlighted Cebu are going to Pardo to meet my family, Plantation Bay, the best place, my bay. Definitely not the last time I'm going there. I'm gonna go there. I'm probably gonna buy a place there. No, really, man, it's so beautiful. And the last is the mall show. Just like Bicol, the best mall show I've done so far. The last is going to Michelangelo's pizza place. Because I didn't only make myself happy, I made other people happy as well. By winning a bet, which allowed Elona to meet her father again. So yeah, that made everyone really happy.
Three things that I definitely won't forget in my hometown in Marikina is basically getting to know one of the best attractions there, like shoes, bro, shoes, like, oh, excited, I want like, oh my god. And I took my Lola to visit my Lolo and my Tito with the Big Four. That's actually the first time I've seen Bailey like that. It's an unforgettable moment for me. Introducing the Big Four to my family. I think Jimboy met a little new someone there. Another one, another new love team. Here we go again with the fangirling. And my last favorite moment would definitely be when we were welcomed into Marikina. There were so many people that was really making me happy because, you know, before we got out of the van, I started feeling sad because, you know, it's supposed to be homecoming and I was born in Australia, right? But the thing is, you know, even though I was sad, really the fans really made me happy because they're all just like, oh no, you stay strong and you win the fight. So I'm basically doing this for them. I'm really doing this for them. They always make me happy. I love them so much.
Top 3 ko po yung tricycle na pinaghirapan ko po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Tsaka doon ko po na-realize na nakatulong ako sa family ko. Pangalawa yung family ko kasi sobrang na-miss ko sila. Top 1 ko, si baby sis ko, na sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako na hindi ko may paliwanag yung nararamdaman ko sa sobrang saya ko. Siguro yun na yung pinaka-happiest moment ko na nakita ko yung baby sis ko. Dapat mahalagaan siya. Kasi mahal na mahal ko.
Yung top 3 kong nagustuhan sa Bicol ay una, yung nakasama ko yung girlfriend ko tsaka yung pamilya ko. Kasi po yun, na-miss ko nga po sila. Tapos talagang mga totoong kaibigan po. Yung pangalawa po ay yung pumunta po sa Mayon, yung nag-ATV po kami. Unang-una kasi, mahal po talaga kasi yung mag-ATV, tapos wala po kami pera. Tapos, dahil po dito, na-experience ko pong mag-ATV. Yung last, yung pumunta po si Kuya Enchong, kasi pinag-uusapan pa lang po namin, sinasabi ko po yun nung nasa Marikina pa lang po kami, sinasabi ko lang sa kanya na, "Uy, Kuya Enchong, sama ka sa amin sa Bicol, please," ganyan, ganyan. So sabi niya, "Ay, hindi talaga pwede kasi may gagawin ako eh, marami pang schedule." Tapos pagdating ng oras nakita ko siya andun po, talagang parang kuya ko na rin po siya. Kasi wala pa akong kuya. Parang siya na rin po yung naging kuya ko dito sa labas ng bahay, sa loob.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako kay Kuya kasi nabigyan po kami ng pagkakataon na makapag-homecoming.
Dahil pinalabas po kami ni Kuya ng bahay kahit hindi pa po tapos yung competition. Kaya
100 po yun para makilala po kami ng gusto. Mas nakilala pa po ako ng gusto nila Bailey, Lona, tsaka ni Franco.
hindi niya po kami pinapabayaan dito sa labas. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa po. Kaya love na love ko yun si Kuya.
Kaya sobrang napapasalamat ako kay Kuya at saka sa PBB 737.
It's a big bull here, and we are here in Enchanted Kingdom!
Like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it knows I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh.
It was amazing.
Pare!
Pare.
I don't like you. No, I love it. I don't like you. No, I love it.
All out, turn the beat up. Hey, now I'm glad to meet ya. Turn up, girl, blow the speaker. Yeah, think about it now, blow the speaker. I'll speak louder, let's get wild tonight. Billionaire bottles, we just down. I'm like, ain't no problem, all my wrongs are right. Alright, alright, I don't like it, I love it. I got
Hey guys, what's up? We are now going on a Ferris wheel with the Big Four.